Many people think that it is rare for scientists to discover new species, but the truth is that new species are being discovered all the time, especially in Australia. This is because Australia is biologically mega diverse, and as its Aboriginal people have known for tens of thousands of years, that biodiversity is critical to sustaining all life, including our own. Australia has a lot of species, and most of them are found nowhere else in the world. And I am a taxonomist, which means it's my job to explore that biological diversity and to report back on what I find. I seek to answer the question, with whom and with what do we share our planet? And honestly, I have my work cut out for me. There are heaps of species out there just waiting to be discovered. Our best estimate suggests that in Australia, we've only described about 1/3 of the total diversity. Many of these undescribed species are insects, fungi, and bacteria, but I'm particularly interested in discovering new species of plants. And right now, for my PhD, one group in particular are keeping me pretty busy. They are called Melichrus. Melichrus are quite spiky shrubs, but they have gorgeous flowers which fill with sweet nectar and which mature into small tasty fruits. And we don't know how many species of Melichrus we share Australia with, yet. You see, Melichrus are what we call taxonomically challenging. This means that over millions of years, the complex history of their evolution has produced a pattern of diversity which is difficult to categorize into species. But not impossible. It just takes more scientific research, which is what I've been doing. I have built two main data sets. One to statistically compare morphological traits, that is, what the species look like, and another to compare the genetic differences. Synthesis of these two complementary analyses give me the power to reconstruct some of the evolutionary history of Melichrus and to use that information to develop a taxonomic classification for this group. It will help me to discover new species. Discovering new species is more important now than it ever has been. Melichrus, like many other species, is severely threatened by human-induced environmental change. But understanding biological diversity has the power to help manage and abate those same threats. That's why I want to know, who do we share our planet with?